Made possible by brainybuyer.com and viewers who subscribe. We test, chart, and compare so your wallet wins. Want more no-nonsense reviews? Smash subscribe to keep them coming. So I'm looking at these two gas grills, the Nexgrill Fortress and the Weber Spirit E-210. What do you think?
Okay, let's dive in. Right off the bat, the Weber is significantly more expensive, around $500, while the Nexgrill is only about $180. That's a big difference.
Yeah, price is definitely a factor. But what about performance? The Nexgrill boasts 13,500 BTUs, and the Weber doesn't even list a BTU, but does say it has 7,744.5 watts of heating power.
True. They both have two burners, but the Weber has a larger total cooking area, 450 square inches versus the Nexgrill's 263. So more grilling space.
Good point. I do like that the Nexgrill is a grill and griddle combo. That's pretty versatile. And it's designed for portability with easy lift handles.
That's cool for camping, maybe. The Weber isn't exactly designed to be moved around constantly. It has caster wheels but is larger overall, standing at 63 inches HX 50 inches WX 32 inches D. The Nexgrill is much smaller at 27.33 DX 19.59 WX 14.96 H.
What about the build quality? I want something that will last.
Weber is known for its quality. The Spirit E-210 has a porcelain enameled lid and cookbox designed to resist rust. The Nexgrill is cast aluminum, which should also be durable.
The Weber has a 10-year warranty. Does the Nexgrill have that?
I'm not seeing any specific warranty information for the Nexgrill in the details. That Weber warranty is a nice peace of mind.
The Weber also has way more reviews, like over 2,300, and a slightly higher rating.
Yeah, that suggests more people trust the Weber. But the Nexgrill still has a good rating. It really comes down to what you need. If you want portability and don't need a huge cooking area, the Nexgrill is a steal. But if you're looking for a long-lasting grill with a larger cooking surface and are willing to pay more, the Weber is a solid choice.
Okay, thanks. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.